Opening a dispute in Aliexpress is pretty easy thing to do today. I'm going to show you how to open a dispute in Aliexpress. So for that, you have to make sure you are logged into your Aliexpress application. After logging into your application, what you have to do is you just have to click on this shipped icon and it will take you to this page. Now here, what you have to do is you have to tap on this confirm received icon. Now here you guys can see this is my order you just placed and you want to open a dispute for this order. You have to scroll down and you will see this page. Now here what you have to do is you just have to tap on this open dispute icon. Here you have to select the option. So the first one is you haven't received your order, you just want a refund, and the second one is refund and return items. It totally depends upon your case. I'm just going to tap on refund only and tap on next, and after that I will see these options. Now here I have to fill out these information according to my order. After filling it out, you just have to tap on submit button. After tapping on submit button, the dispute for your product will be open on AliExpress. So that's pretty much it. That's how we do it. Hope you guys find this video helpful.